here's the thing. Mark Mullins goes on vacation, and he comes back to the pick of the week. How about that? 71 degrees outside today.
It's magic. It's magic.
We can all thank Mark.
I mean, we really like you, Mark, but maybe we have to send you away a little more often. You're going to come back with nice weather like this. Yeah, today's going to be the warmest day probably in 2014. The one little flaw in the forecast will be a wind that is going to start to pick up, but it's a southwesterly wind, and that's what's going to bring the warmer air in here. And you just notice the wind speeds currently anywhere from about 8 to 14 miles per hour. So not terrible this morning, but these wind speeds will be increasing throughout the course of the day and will eventually gust over to 20, 25 miles per hour. The temperature, that sits at 47 degrees, sunrise 7:15. This morning you will see plenty of sunshine, and then we'll have a little more in the way of cloud cover at 8:18 once the sun does set. 50 degrees, still the current temperature in Bloomington at this hour. Muncie, you're at 49. It's 47 right now in Peru, and you look off to our west, and here's where you find the temperatures in the 50s and even the 60s from Des Moines over towards Kansas City. And again, the wind will be coming out of the southwest today, and that's going to help to transport the warmer air into the Hoosier State. And I think we all have the potential to get up into the 70s, with the exception maybe a few of you to the north, but you'll make it into the upper 60s as well. So clouds are out there right now. They're just kind of the high, thin clouds. There's a big bright moon when I was driving in, kind of filtered behind the high, thin clouds. But we'll have plenty of sunshine throughout the morning hours. But you do notice this band of cloud cover and precipitation in the form of rainfall to our north. It's a very thin band of rain, but that is a cold front, a weak one. But it will slide through the area throughout the course of the afternoon and into the evening hours. So the first half of the day, completely dry. It's mild. It's breezy. Head out for lunch. The temperature should be quickly warming into the 60s at that point. Then as we get into the evening hours, here comes that weak cold front. Again, there is not a lot of moisture with this front, but it will slide all the way through the state from the northwest to the southeast. By 9 o'clock, it's kind of still in the northern half of the state. And then as we go into the overnight hours, that's when we have the best chance of rain, and that'll be down across the southern half of the state. And by tomorrow morning's commute, the rain is off to the east, and it will be a dry Friday for us. So high temperatures today in the upper 60s to the north, to right around 70 in Crawfordsville, mid 70s from Bedford to Seymour to Shelbyville, and then here in the metro area, right around 71 degrees. I mentioned the rain chance if you're heading to the Indians game. Do not cancel your plans. It's just a spot shower early on with a first pitch temperature of 70 degrees.